This is the number they have given and told us to round off the numbers to the nearest tens, hundreds, thousands and 10,000. So first question is they are given to round off the number to nearest tens. So first you write the place value, ones, tens, hundreds, thousand and 10,000. So as they have asked tens place value, circle the tens place value and consider the right side of that circle number. And see, we have 7. 7 is greater than 5. So it's a stronger number. If it is stronger number, the number should be increased to 1. The circle number should be increased to 1. So left side to the circle number, what we have to do? We have to write as it is. So 7, 5, 8. Circle number will be increased to 1 because 7 is a stronger number. So 4 will be increased to 5. Next, right side to the circle number will be considered as 0. Understood, children? How to do? Next they told us to circle round off to the nearest hundreds value. So consider the hundreds place value. First to write the place value, ones, tens, hundreds, thousand and 10,000. Next, consider the hundreds place value and right side of that circle value we have 4. So 4 is weaker number or stronger number? 4 is a weaker number. So if it is a weaker number, we have to not change anything in a circle number. So circle number will be as it is. Left side to the circle number we have to write as it is. Next, right side to the circle number we will consider as 0. Okay. Next we have thousands. We have to round off this number to thousands. So first to write the place value, ones, tens, hundreds, thousand and 10,000. Next they have asked thousands place. You circle the thousand place and consider the right side of circle number, that is 8 we have. So 8 is greater than 5 or less than 5? 8 is greater than 5, so it's a stronger number. If it is stronger number, what should we do? We have to increase the circle number to 1. So 7 will be as it is. Increase the circle number. So 5 will be increased to 6. Next, right side of that circle number we'll consider it as 0. Okay. Next, they have given 10,000. Round off to 10,000. So first write ones place, tens place, hundreds, thousand and 10,000. Okay. Next, as they have asked 10,000, you circle the 10,000 place value and consider the right side of the circle value number. So 5 we have. 5 is a stronger number. So if it is stronger number, what should we do? We have to increase the circle number. Okay, so 7 will be increased to 8. Right side of circle number we'll consider it as 0. Okay children, did you get how to do it? Please keep this in mind. If you keep this, remember this, if they ask any type of question to round off, it will be easier for you. Okay. Children, how do you add the numbers? We usually add numbers by following some method systematically, right? We write the numbers taking care of the digits of the same place. For example, if you have ones place, tens place, hundreds and thousands place, we'll add all ones place number. Next, we'll add all hundreds place number, right? So, for example, let me take some example and teach you. we have 3946. Next 2050 we have. Ones place, tens place, thousands, hundreds place and thousands place we have, right? How do we add this number? We add the numbers in a systematic way, that is we add in column wise, that is we add all ones place number. So here also ones place number we add together with ones place number with another number. So see, 6 plus 0 is 6 we have. Next we add the column wise number. 4 plus 5 is 9. See children, if we have any carry, that will forward to the appropriate number to the next place value number, right? So if we have 8, 9, 4, 3, 9, 9 plus 3 is 12. So we have 12. So we'll forward the number to the next place value, right? So 8 plus 1, 9, 9 plus 4, 13, right? So if we have the carry number, we'll carry forward to the next place value. So like that only, by adding it, it goes on. Let us complete. 9 plus 0 is 9, 3 plus 2 is 5. So, but this is a very we need to make calculations and do all these carry forward things. But in some situations where we need to find the answers very quickly. So, for example, when you go to a market for a fair, you find a variety of attractive things there to buy, right? So you will find some chocolates, you will find some ice cream, you will find some interesting things there. So you'll think that, yeah, I have to buy everything. So you need to quickly decide what you can buy with the amount you have. With the limited amount, you have to think, what should I buy, what should I not buy, because the limit amount you have, you can't take everything because you have only limited amount. So you have to think, with the given limited amount, what can I buy with that amount, you have to think. So it is a sum of prices. If you for example, if you want to buy a chocolate in a fair, okay, if you want to buy a chocolate, it will cost around 80 think 80, okay. Next cake you want to buy, it will be 30. Next pencil you want to buy, it will be 20. Next ice cream you want to buy, it will be 45, okay. So you'll have the limited amount of only 100 rupees. You'll have only 100 rupees. Then you'll think to buy all these things. So is it possible to buy all these things, children? No, you can't buy all this because you have only 100 rupees. If you want to buy all these things, you want a more amount. So you see, with 100 rupees, what can I buy? 30 rupees I can buy ice cream. Then 20 rupees I can buy pencil. So 30 plus 20 will be 50. Then 50 plus remaining I will be having another 50 rupees. So another 50 rupees I can buy ice cream. So totally I will spend 95 rupees. So another 5 rupees will be remaining with me. So in that 5 rupees, what can I buy? You have to estimate the sum by calculating then this and buy some things, okay. Next example let us take. See children, we have a trader. A trader, he has to receive some money with two sources itself. So we have a trader. So you want to receive money from we have a trader, he wants to receive money from these two sources. So the money you want to receive from the first source is rupees 13,569. Next you want to receive from another source is 26,785. Okay. So with receiving this amount, that is 13,569, 26,785, and with receiving this total amount you want to pay another 37,000 rupees amount to someone else. You want to pay for somebody else by evening. So he round off the numbers to the nearest thousands and quickly works out to the rough answer. So if he keeps on calculating like 9 plus 5 is something like that, if he keeps on calculating, then it will take a lot of time. So he'll just round off this numbers. He'll round off this both the numbers to the nearest thousands place value, because he has 10,000s, no? We will round off to the nearest 10,000 value, both the numbers to the nearest 10,000 value, and he'll calculate some approximate money he has. Okay. So let us see how did he round off the number to the nearest tens place. So we have so ones place, so thousands place number we have 3 is less than 5, so it will be as it is. Next we have 6 is greater than 5, so we have to increase one number here. So he approximately round off these numbers and take an average of that number and feels happy, so that he wants to pay 37,000 rupees to somebody else by the evening, but he has 40,000 with him, 40,000 approximately. So he is happy, so that I can pay that amount to someone. So the trader was very happy, so that he had enough money to pay to the another someone friend. Okay. Understood children? Instead of counting all these numbers, it takes lot of time. So he rounded off the numbers to do quick calculation. We'll round off these numbers and do approximate calculation and see if we can do it properly or not. Okay. Next, another example is, we have two friends, that is Sheila and Mohan. we have two friends, Sheila and Mohan. They planned for their monthly expenditure. Like they know their monthly expenses, like if they want to pay, if they are going to some work, if they earn like 40 rupees approximately for 1 month, they have to see in this 40,000 rupees how should they spend monthly expenditure. With these 40,000 they have to see their expenses on transport, school requirements, groceries, milk, clothes and etc. Like this month, this is a monthly expenditures, but if they have extra expenditures, like if they have friend's birthday party, they want to buy some gift, and if they want to visit some another new place, they want to have some extra money. So with the monthly expenditure would be always 30,000 and 10,000 will be remaining amount with them. Okay. So with this monthly expenditure, it goes for traveling, milk, groceries, etc. everything. And the remaining 10,000 they have to see if they have a friend's birthday party, they have to spend with this 10,000 amount only. So they estimate the amount they want to spend and had to see what will the amount be enough for them to maintain the other requirements. Okay, if that requirements is possible with a limited amount, they'll be happy with this. Otherwise they want to see what to do. Okay. There is no rigid rules, children, to round off the numbers. The procedure depends on the numbers. As I told you, the most important thing you have to keep mind is how sensibly you will round off the numbers. Okay. The main important thing, as I told you, to keep in your mind is stronger and weaker numbers. Seeing that, you can round off the numbers and see. Okay. Next, let us solve from So let us solve some example problems so that you will get some idea. Okay. As we saw in above examples, we can round off the number to any place value. So the trader, we saw he rounded off the amount he had to the nearest thousands place, and he saw whether he was satisfied with the amount he had or what. So like that only, the next example we took with Sheila and Mohan, even they saw and calculated their expenditures and were happy with that, if it can be done or not. So when you estimate any sum or difference, you should have an idea of why you need to round off and therefore place to which you would round off. Okay. So look at some example. First example, let us take to 5290 plus 17986. Okay. 5290 plus 17,986. So first step to round off this number, you have to sum this number. First you take which number is greater, 17,986 is greater or 5,290 is greater. Obviously 17,986 is greater, right? So here we have ones, tens, hundreds, thousand and 10,000. Here we have ones, tens, thousand and hundred and thousand. So in both common, here we have 10,000 extra, we don't have 10,000. So we have 1,000, we have 1,000. So you can round off the number to 1,000. If they have not mentioned to which number we should round off, you have to see the common which we have. So we have common in thousands. So we can round off the greater. 1,000 is there. No, greater place value is 1,000. So we'll round off the number to thousands place. We'll round off the number to thousands place. So greater number is 17,986. Next is 5290. See children, you have to write the numbers carefully below that place value itself. Here 10,000 is not there in this number, so you leave that blank, okay. So write carefully. So if you had this, it will take a long time, so we have to round off these numbers to thousands place. So consider this thousands place. Next, consider the next value of thousands place. We have 9. 9 is lesser than 9 is greater than 5. So we have to increase the circle number. So 7 will be 8. Next, rest these numbers will be 0. Okay. Next, consider this number. If you consider 2, 2 is less than 5, so the thousands place value will remain as it is. Right? Understood children? How did I do? Consider the thousands place value and consider the hundreds place value. See, hundreds place value is less than or greater than 5. Here it's greater than 5, so increase the circle number. We'll have 8. So rest and all numbers we'll write it as 0. Next, second number if we take, consider 2. 2 is less than 5, so no change in this circle number. Next, if you had 0, 0 plus 0, 0, 8 plus 5 is 13. 1 plus 1 is 2. What is the answer we got children? 23,000. This is a estimated sum. If they ask to estimate, in the question, we have to round off the numbers and do an estimated sum. Okay. This is an actual sum. This is an estimated sum, okay. You can check if it comes to near same value. So 6 plus 6, 0. 8 plus 9 is 17. 9, 10. 10 plus 2 is 12. 8 plus 5 is 23. Sorry, is 13. 1 plus 1 is 2. See, we got approximately same number, no? 23,276. We got 23,000. So we are rounding off this 23,276 to this number. See, if you round off the 3,276 to the nearest thousands, you will get 20,000 itself. Okay. Understood children? It is same. Next, let us see how to estimate the difference of two numbers. Okay. Estimate 5673 minus 436. Okay. Here children, to which place you will round off? First you see ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Here also we have ones, tens and hundreds. So the common is what? Thousands place here. Here we don't have thousands place. So we can't round off to thousands place. Next we have hundreds place. Here also we have hundreds place. So we'll round off the number to 100. Okay. The highest place value is hundreds place. Why can't we take tens place? Because we are taking the highest place value. We have hundreds place common in both. So we are rounding off the number to hundreds place. Okay. So 5, 6, 7, 3, 4, 3, 6 we have. Right. So first we'll round off this number 5673. You will round off this number. So hundreds place you are rounding off. So 6. Next place is 7. So 7 is stronger number, that is greater than 5. If we have stronger number, we have to increase circle number. So increase 6 to 7. The remaining numbers will be 0. Okay. Next, here also circle the hundreds place value and consider the right hand side place value, that is 3. 3 is less than 5 or greater than 5. 3 is less than 5. So you will write 4 as it is, then 0, 0. Okay. Next, you subtract 0 minus 0, 0, 0 minus 0, 0. 7 minus 4 is 3. Next 5, anything is 5 only. Okay. Understood children? How did I do? This is an estimated difference. Okay. This is an estimated difference. Let us do the actual difference. This is not necessary to do the actual difference, because in question they have asked to do only estimate. So we can do only estimated difference, but see the difference I'll do for you. Okay. So 3 minus 6 is not possible. So 13. Six minus 3 is 3. Then 6 minus 4 is 2. Next 5. 2. So approximately we got the same number. Right? First we saw how to estimate addition. Next subtraction we saw. Next let us see how to estimate the product of two numbers. Okay. Let us see how to estimate the product. Let us take two numbers, that is 17 and let us take two numbers, children, that is 19 and 78. We have to estimate the product of these two numbers. Okay, first what will you do? First you will round off this number to the nearest tens value, because in both we have tens place. So rounding off to tens place, we have 9. 9 is greater than 5, so we'll increase this number. So 2 0. Here it will be 8. 8 is greater than 5, so we'll increase this number. So we got 20 and 80. So if we multiply 20 and 80, what is the answer we'll get? 8 2s is 16. So we have 2 zeros, so we'll add it 2 zeros. Okay. So what is the answer? If we multiply these two numbers, we got 16,000. We got. Understood, children, how to estimate the product of two numbers? Next example, let us take 63 into 182. Okay, first to take the round off value. Here we have ones place, tens place, we have ones place, tens place, hundreds place. So which number you will round off to? You will round off to nearest tens place, because tens place is there in both. Okay, so consider the tens place value. So 3 is less than 5, so 6 remains as it is. Next 2 is less than 5, so 8 remains as it is. So if you take this product, what will be the answer? Answer will be 10,800. Okay, so this is how you quickly multiply these numbers and do the multiplication of two numbers. This is how you estimate the product of two numbers. Okay. If anyone asks you the product of 19 into 78, if you can't tell it immediately, you can round off these numbers and tell the estimate multiplication of the numbers. Okay, this is some examples how you estimate the product of two numbers. Okay. When we took the approximate round off of 63 into 182, by rounding off to nearest tens value, we got 60 into 180, right, from the previous one. The answer which we got was how much, children? 10,800. So doing this is not very quick. So the general rule that we can follow is, by rounding off the each factor to its greatest place, then multiplying that round off value. For example, 63 into 182, we have ones place, tens place. Here ones, tens and hundreds we have. So this will be like not quick. Okay, to find this answer, it's not very quickly. So we'll do another method, that is 63. We can round off to nearest tens value because it is the greatest place in this number. Tens is the greatest place. So rounding of 63 will become 60. Then you can round off 182 its greatest place value. Greatest place value is what? Ones, tens, 100. Which is the greatest place value? 100 is the greatest place value. So consider the round off the 182 to its greatest place value. That is, hey, next right side of 1 you will take 8. 8 is greater than 5. So you have to increase one number in circle. So 1 will become 2, then this will become 0, 0. Understood, children? This will be not quickly and we cannot find the approximate answer. So you use this type. Okay. So circle the, by estimating the product, you circle the greatest place value of each number. That is, in this greatest place value is 10. So we are circling the tens place and rounding off the tens place number. Here the greatest place value is 100. So we are rounding off to nearest hundreds place. Okay. So if you multiply 66, then 2, 6 2s is 12. Then remaining we have 1, 2, 3 zeros. So 3 zeros is possible. Here we have some difficulty. See, 6, 1, 8. We have 1, 8 into 6. 18, 6 is you have to calculate. So here you can easily calculate 6 2s are 18. Then add the remaining zeros. Okay, children. This is a good estimate you can do in product. Okay, don't do like this, do in this method by in product type. Okay. The general rules we can follow is rounding of the each factor to its greater place value. Okay. Next, let me take one more example and show you. So next example is 81 into 479. So you round off to the greatest place value. So here greatest place value is 10. So considering 1, 1 is less than 5. So circle number will remain as it is. Into your greatest place value is what? Hundredths place. So round off the hundredths place number. Right side to hundredths place we have 7. 7 is greater than 5. That is stronger number. So we have to increase the circle place value. 4 is increased to 5. Remaining will be 0, 0. So if you take the product, what will be the answer, children? 8 5s is 45. So remaining we have 3 zeros. So you can directly write that. See how quickly we rounded off the numbers and found out the answer. 8 5s is 40. Remaining we have 3 zeros. So we can write as it is. See how quickly we found out the answer, right? So if we use that previous method which was not quick, that will take a very long time. This will be a quicker method to find the answer. Okay. One more example I'll take, that is 37 into 1889. Okay. Ones place, tens place, we have ones, tens, hundreds, thousands we have. So, greatest place value is 10. So, considering the ones place, we have 7. 7 is greater than 5, stronger number. So, you will increase the number in circles place. So, circle is 3, increasing. Next, greater place value is 1000 because ones, tens, hundred, thousand, greater place value is thousands. So, considering the right hand side of 1000 is 8 we have. 8 is greater than 5. So, we are increasing the number in thousands place. Then all the numbers will be 0. So, if you multiply this, 4 2s is 8. Remaining how many zeros we have? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 zeros we have. Understood, children? How did I write that? See how quickly we found out the estimate multiplication of two numbers. Okay. This is how you do the estimation of addition, difference and product. You saw the three estimation, how to do the estimation of addition, difference and product. Understood, children? In product you can circle the highest place value and consider the numbers. Okay. Some exercise problem, exercise 1.3, that is page number 23. Okay. So, first main they have given estimate each by general rule. Okay. First question what they have given? 730 plus 998. So, this what should we do? We have to, so in both place we have hundreds place, right? Both place we have hundreds place, we will round off to 100. Okay, we will round off to hundreds place. Okay, so hundreds place we have to circle and consider the right side place value, that is 3 we have. 3 is less than 5 or greater than 5? 3 is less than 5. So, 3 is a weaker number. So, circle number will remain same. Then right side values will be 0. Okay. Next, 9 we have. 9 is less than 5 or greater than 5? 9 is greater than 5. So, it is a stronger number. So, we will increase this number to one number. We will increase one more number. So, 9 will become 10. Right? 10. Right side numbers will be 0, 0. These two numbers will be 0, 0. So, now add 700 plus so which is a bigger number, 700 or 1000? 1000 is the bigger number, so write that first. Next is 700. Write the place value numbers below that place value only. Okay, so that addition will be easier. So 0 plus 0 0 0 0, 0 plus 7 7 1. So what is the answer we got? 71,700. Okay, this is how you estimate the number. First you will round off to which place you have to see. Next you have to add. Next, second problem. 796 minus 314. So here we have ones, tens, 100. Here also we have ones, tens, 100. Then you will circle, round off to nearest hundredths place. So rounding off to 100, right? So 9 rounding off, 9 is greater than 5, stronger number, so you have to increase 7 to 8. Next 0 0. Next this is 1. 1 is less than 5, weaker number, so 3 will be as it is. So 800 minus 300 is how much? 500. Okay, 500 is the answer. Next, third problem. 12904 plus 2888, right? So we have ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. Here we have ones, tens, hundreds and 1000. So here we have 10,000, we don't have 10,000 here. Next we have 1000, here we have 1000. So which is the greater place value? We have 1000. Here also we have 1000. So we will round off the number to 1000. Okay, understood children? How to round off to which place value? See, here we have 10,000, but here we don't have 10,000. So we can't round off the number to 10,000. Okay. Next we have here 1000. Here also we have 1000. So we are rounding off the number to 1000. Okay. So considering the thousands place value, next right hand side of thousands place is 9. 9 is greater than 5. So we have to increase one number in thousands place. That is 2 will become 3. Next all will be 0. Okay. Next, considering the thousands place, next value is 8. 8 is greater than 5. So we have to increase one number, that is 3. 0 0 0. So if we had 13,000, next 3,000, what will be the answer? 0 0 0, 16,000. Understood children? If we add this, we will get 16,000. Next problem. 28292 minus 21496. First see the place value, ones, tens, hundreds, 1000 and 10,000. Here ones, tens, 1000, hundreds, 1000 and 10,000. So here also we have 10,000, here also we will add 10,000. So we will circle this to round off to 10,000. So here 28292, if we round off, 8 is greater than 0, greater than 5. So this number we have to increase. So 3, 0, 0, 0, 0. Next 1. 1 is less than 5, so 2 will remain as it is. So if we subtract 30,000 from 20,000, what will be the answer? 10,000. Okay, children. If we subtract 30,000 from 20,000, answer will be 10,000. Okay. So next heading is, we have to give a rough estimate by rounding off to nearest hundreds and also a closer estimate by rounding off to nearest tens. Okay. So the first problem is 439 plus 334 plus 4317. Okay. We have to do both. We have to round off to nearest hundreds and nearest tens. Both we have to do. First we'll do round off to hundreds. Okay. So rounding off to 100. So circle all hundreds place value and consider the right hand side value. So here we have 3. 3 is less than 5. So this 4 remains as it is. Next 3. 3 is less than 5. So 3 remains as it is. Next here 1 is there. So 1 is less than 5. So 3 also remains as it is. Okay, children. Now if you add all these numbers, what will you get? If you add all this, you will get answer as 5,000. Okay. Then if you add all these numbers, you will get 5,000 as answer. Next, let us round off to tens place. Okay. So now consider the tens place number. Okay. So here tens place number we have 9. 9 is greater than 5. So 3 will be changed to 4 because 9 is greater than 5. Then 0. plus 3 remains as it is. Next 4. 4 is less than 5 or greater than 5? Less than 5. So 3 remains as it is. Next 4, 3 will remain as it is. Next 7. 7 is greater than 5 or less than 5? 7 is greater than 5. So you will increase the 1 to 2. Okay. See, this blue marker is tens place, that is rounding off to tens number. This is black circle thing is rounding off to hundredths place. Okay. Add all these three numbers. What is the answer you will get? 5090. Okay, children. This is the answer you got. Next problem. Children, next problem, that is second problem, is 108,734 minus 47,599. Okay. First you write the place value: ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh. Tens, hundreds, thousand and 10,000. Okay. So in the question they have asked to round off to nearest hundreds. So circle the hundreds place value. Round off to nearest hundreds. So rounding off to 100, 3 is less than 5, so 7 remains as it. So we'll round off 108. 3 is less than 5, so 7 remains as it is. Then two numbers will take 0, 0. Next, we have 4, 7. 9 is greater than 5, so 5 is increased by 1. So 6, 0, 0. Okay, now if you subtract 0, 0, 6 minus 7 minus 6, 1, 1, 10 minus 4, 6. This is the answer for round off for 100. Let us round off for tens. Okay. So I'll round off the tens place in blue marker. Okay. So circle left side numbers will be same, 1087. So 3, next we have 4. 4 is less than 5, so 3 will remain as it is. Okay. Next, circle left side number is same. So 4, 7, 5. So 9. Next number is 9. 9 is greater than 9. So 9 is increased to 10. So increase to 10, right? So 5 will become 6. Understood, children? This 47599, when we round off, we have 9. 9 is greater than 5, so we have to increase this 9. If we increase 9, what it will become? 10. So 10. Here 5 plus 1 is 6, then 7, then 4. Understood, children? How did you get 47600? Okay. Now if you subtract this number, you will get 03116. Okay. This is the answer you will get. Okay. So if you subtract these two numbers, the answer is the answer is 61130. Okay, 61130 is the answer. Okay. Next, third problem. Next, third problem is 8325 minus 491. So first we have to round off to 100. So ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. So 2 is less than 5, so 3 will remain as it is. Next, 9 is greater than 5, so 4 will be increased by one number, that is 5. Okay. So if you subtract this, what will be the answer? 13 minus 5 is 8. So this will be the answer. Okay. Next, rounding off to so let us round off this number to tens now. So considering the tens place, now 83 will remain as it is. 5 is stronger number. So if we have stronger number, 2 will be increased by one number, that is 2 will become 3. Okay. Next, 4 is as it is. Then next we have 1. 1 is less than 5, so 9 will remain as it is. Okay. So what is the answer we'll get after subtracting? 7840. Okay. 7840. Next we have D, fourth one. 4893 48 minus 48365. Okay. So ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000 and lakh. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand and 10,000. Okay. So first we'll round off to 100. Okay. So 300's place. So here left side numbers, circle left side numbers, you write as it is. Next, Here if we consider 4 is less than 5, so circle number will be as it is. Okay. Next we have 4, 8. Next we have 6. 6 is greater than 5, so 3 is increased by one number, that is 4. Okay, so if we subtract these numbers, what is the answer we'll get? 440900. Okay, this is the answer. After subtracting we'll get. Next, round off to tens. So round off tens number. So left side to circle number you can write as it is. So 8 we have. 8 is greater than 5, so circle number will be increased by 1. So 4 increased by 1 is 5. Okay. Next, left side to circle number you can write as it is. Next 5 we have. 5 is a stronger number, greater than 5, so 6 is increased by one number, that is 7. Okay, so if we subtract these numbers we'll get answer as 440980. This is how you do addition and subtraction of numbers. Okay. Next, third main is estimate the following products using general rule. First problem in that is 578 into 161. Okay. We have ones, tens, hundreds and ones, tens, hundreds. So general rule is how did I taught children? You have to take the round off the number to the greater place value. Here you have already hundredths place, so you can round off directly. So 578. So 7 is greater than 5, so 5 is increased by 1, that is 6. Next, 6 is greater than 5, so 1 is increased by 1 number, that is 2. Okay, so 6 2s is 12. 1 2 3 4, we have 4 zeros, so we will write 4 zeros. Okay. Next P problem, 5281 into 3491. Okay, so ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. Okay, now greater place value is 1000, so we'll round off to thousands place. If they have not mentioned any place value in the question, you can see the greater place value and do. So 2 is there, 2 is less than 5, so 5 remains same, then 0 0 0 into 4 is less than 5, so 3 remains as it is. So 5 3s is 15. We have 1 2 3 4 5 6 zeros, so you can write 6 zeros. Okay. Next C problem. You have 1 2. Next third problem. 1291 into 592. Okay, you have your ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. Here also we have ones, tens, hundreds. See children, in hundreds place, in addition, subtraction and all, you will see the equal. Like if you have thousands place here also you have thousands place, then you will round off that number to thousands place, both the numbers to thousands place. Otherwise, if you have hundreds place here, you don't have thousands place. Next you have hundreds place here, so like that you round off to hundreds place. In addition and subtraction, but in product, finding the product, you have to round off the number to the greater placed value of its own number. So greater place value of this number is 1000. So round off this number to 1000. Here greater place value of number is 100. So you round off the number to 100. Okay, this method you have to use only to estimate the products. Okay, if they won't ask any like to round off to any hundreds, tens or thousands, you can use this method. Okay, next 2 is less than 5, so 1 remains as it is. Next 9 is greater than 5, so 6 is increased by 1 number, that is 6. So 1 6 is 6. So 1 2 3 4 5 zeros you have. 1 2 3 4 5 5 zeros you'll write. Okay.